Food is symbolic of love when words are inadequate.
One cannot think well, love well, sleep well, if one has not dined well.
You don't need a silver fork to eat good food.
Food is our common ground, a universal experience.
To eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Good food is the foundation of genuine happiness. First we eat, then we do everything else. Cooking is like love. It should be entered into with abandon or not at all.
You are what you eat, so don't be fast, cheap, easy, or fake.
If you really want to make a friend, go to someone's house and eat with him. The people who give you their food give you their heart. Food is art, and food is love.
And we should show love and appreciation for those who cook it by eating it with relish. Food, in the end, in our own tradition, is something holy.
It's not about nutrients and calories.
It's about sharing.
It's about honesty. It's about identity. A party without cake is just a meeting. Cooking is at once child's play and adult joy, and cooking done with care is an act of love. Good food is good mood. Food is not rational. Food is culture, habit, craving, and identity. Cooking is like painting or writing a song.
Food should be fun.
Food is not just eating energy, it's an experience. A recipe has no soul.
You as the cook must bring soul to the recipe.
Food brings people together on many different levels. Food tastes better when you eat it with family. Laughter is brightest in the place where food is. The secret of success in life is to eat what you like and let the food fight it out inside. Eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. Food is memories. You don't have to cook fancy or complicated masterpieces, just good food from fresh ingredients. Food is the most primitive form of comfort. Food is the ingredient that binds us together. Food is fuel for the body, but joy for the soul. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food.
Cakes are healthy too, you just eat a small slice.
Cooking is therapy.
Humor keeps us alive.
Humor and food. Don't forget food. You can go a week without laughing. Eat food, not too much, mostly plants. We must have a pie. Stress cannot exist in the presence of a pie. Food shared is happiness multiplied. We eat the year away. We eat the spring and the summer and the fall. We wait for something to grow, and then we eat it.
Eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper.
If you keep on eating unhealthy food, then no matter how many weight loss tips you follow, you are likely to retain weight and become obese. If only you start eating healthy food, you will be pleasantly surprised how easy it is to lose weight. Food is the ultimate storyteller. The food you eat can be either the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy food, and that's kind of the same thing. When you start eating foods without labels, you no longer need to count calories. Eat with love, not with fear. Your body is the direct result of what you eat as well as what you don't eat. Food is culture. Food is medicine, and the right kind of a relationship with food can make a positive impact on your health. Food is the ingredient that unites us all. By eating many fruits and vegetables in place of fast food and junk food, people could avoid obesity. One should eat to live, not live to eat. Food is art and science, magic and craft. Food is the most intimate thing you can give to someone. Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. Food is not just about calories. It's about culture, tradition, and connection. Every time you eat or drink, you are either feeding disease or fighting it. To eat well is to live well. Science and mindfulness complement each other in helping people to eat well and maintain their health and well-being. Good food warms the heart and feeds the soul. Eat what makes your soul shine. If these food quotes made you smile or feel hungry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the joy with others who love food as much as you do. And hey, let me know in the comments, which quote was your favorite or made you the hungriest?